This is a Lamborghini Gallardo that has been modified and built by Street Aero with an engine-swapped Toyota 2jz engine with a massive turbo on top that produces over 1,000 horsepower with rolling anti-lag. And I imagine you can turn the boost up on this sucker and it would go just ridiculously fast. That turbo's huge. The rolling anti-lag added on. It is an insane feature. This car was actually, like I said, built by Street Aero. It was unveiled by SEMA in 2021, but it's just a crazy build. You can see the titanium exhaust that was custom built out the end there as well, which looks incredible with the wheels out in the open with more meat than Arby's. It looks fantastic with the twin exit. That single turbo on top looks amazing, and it's really the first thing you see when you look at this crazy build of a car. You can still see some remnants of the Gallardo. It's still kind of tell what it is, but lots of custom components from Street Aero that have been built specifically for this car, including some custom carbon fiber wings and things, and then a very extreme front end that has been inspired by things like the Bugatti Bolide and some other crazy components to be added, including some little windows in the doors which look just like a Senna. Pretty cool car.